When I visited Morgantina, I decided to drive to Aidone to lunch because it's just 6 minutes away. And also because these places has a strong depopulations. And also because the foods in these small mountain towns are the best in Sicily. Aidone has 4,000 inhabitants and it's located in central, a little bit more south Sicily. It's an area with Norman-based dialect due to our strong dominance in the area. Aidone was founded by Normans, which you see clearly in the old town. The Norman castle is from year 1000 with breathtaking panorama to Etna, Lake Ogliasto, and the Sicilian nature. One can just imagine the beauty and the power of that time. The castle is also called Il Castellaggio by Aidonesi.